welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I am Shreyushi and welcome to my channel. So before starting this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and यहाँ पर जो बेल बटन है उसे जरूर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो डालूं आपके पास तुरंत नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचे. So in today's video, I'm going to do this no makeup look which is extremely trending and it takes only 5 minutes, and the best part is that this is sweat proof too. So if you are interested and want to see this, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let me just start with some skincare first, because without skincare makeup is just incomplete. And first I'm going to start with some ice cubes, because first of all it helps to stick your makeup for very long time. Second of all, it helps to control your sweat, which is important right now because summer is here and it's extremely hot, so sweating is a very common thing. So ice cubes helps you to control your sweat. And third of all, it gives you a beautiful base. So first I'm going to start with some ice cubes, and do not use ice cubes directly on your face. कुछ भी अगर हो ऐसे रुमाल या फिर टॉवल तो उसकी मदद से आप आइस क्यूब्स को इस्तेमाल कीजिए, नहीं तो आइस बर्न होने का एक चांस. एंड एज यू कैन सी बहुत सारा ब्रेकआउट्स हुआ है एंड इट्स वेरी कॉमन बिकॉज इट्स समर हेयर. And I'm going to surely make a video about summer skincare. So first I'm going to rub it on my face. And no matter which skin type you have, like dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, you can use this. अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन है तो मैं सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप ठंडे पानी से अच्छी तरह से मुंह को धो लीजिए इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग आइस क्यूब्स. Okay, so next step is moisturizer. So as it extremely hot outside, so I will suggest you that do not use moisturizer, and instead of using moisturizer you can use any kind of gel like Patanjali aloe vera gel, and this is Good Vibes orange gel. Currently I am loving this too, and you can use serum or essence too, but I generally prefer gel because it helps to give you a sticky base which hold your makeup for such a long time. So today I'm going to use these both because I really love this. First I'm going to use this orange gel from Good Vibes. I really love this. मैंने recently जो नायका हॉल पे दिखाया था कि मैंने ये खरीदा है, and I really love this. No matter which skin type you have, you are going to love this. And I really love this because it hydrates your skin for such a long time, and this is very important for this summer. Like ऐसा कुछ चाहिए जो फेस को स्टिकी भी नहीं करेगा एंड बहुत अच्छी तरह से हाइड्रेट भी करेगा स्किन को. So I really love this stuff. Okay, so next on top of it I am going to use this Patanjali aloe vera gel because it has a sticky base, and this is my all time favorite. You guys know that how much I love this stuff. So I am going to use this much, not more than that. And this aloe vera gel helps to give you a sticky base. Like look at this, can you see that? It helps to give you a sticky base, so you really don't need any primer. So now I'm going to move on to foundation. Instead of using any concealer, I'm going to use foundation because this is extremely hot right now. अगर ये winter होता तो मैं ज़रूर concealer choose करती, but this is extremely hot right now. So concealer can crease badly, so don't use concealer. Instead of using concealer, you can use foundation or BB cream. And my all-time favorite foundation is this Biotique foundation. This is in actually mousse form, तो मैं इतना सा लूँगी. So I'm going to use it. Now I'm going to blend this with my finger. So as you can see, my skin looks little bit of glossy and presentable, but ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है कि मैंने कुछ हेवी इस्तेमाल किया है. And as you can see कि मेरा जो पिगमेंटेशन है एंड मेरा जो स्पॉट्स है वो आप क्लियरली देख पा रहे हो, एंड आई लव दिस. बट इफ यू डोंट लाइक दिस यू कैन यूज कंसीलर ऑन योर ब्लेमिशेस. एज यू कैन सी बैडली ब्रेकआउट्स हुआ है यहाँ पर, सो आई एम गोइंग टू यूज लिटिल बिट ऑफ कंसीलर ऑन जस्ट दैट स्पॉट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज कंसीलर ऑन माई अंडर आई और आई एम ऑन माई eyelid. So I am going to just use concealer on my blemishes. So little amount of concealer. So if you have dry skin, you can leave your base like this, but my skin is extremely oily, so I'm going to use little bit of powder. So for that I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 25 medium. By the way, जो concealer मैंने इस्तेमाल किया था that was from Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium too. So I'm going to use powder little bit, not too much, and I'm going to use it with my beauty blender just to melt everything together. एंड माई बेस इज एब्सोल्युटली रेडी. एज यू कैन सी ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप किया है, which is needed for everyday kind of a look. And now I'm going to move on to brow because I'm completely a brow girl. So for that I'm going to use LA color brow pencil. I'm not going to use Miss Claire eyebrow pencil because currently I am using this and I am quite loving this because I am obsessed with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, as you guys know. But currently I am really loving this, and this is in the shade dark brown if I am not wrong. Okay, so now look at the difference. You can understand that brows can change your whole look. So my brows are done. Now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So you can totally skip this part of eyeshadow, but I really love to use little bit of eyeshadow. It really helps to open up your eyes. So I'm going to choose a nude color, and for that I'm going to use this. This is MUA eyeshadow palette, and this is actually a gifted. And I told this story for like 1000 times कि मैंने Hook Makeup से कुछ products order किया था, and I got this as a gift, and I really love this. I don't know you can find it or not, but if you can, just grab this palette because this is one of the best nude eyeshadow palette after Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So I really love this, and currently I am obsessed with this. So from this palette I am going to mix these two color and going to apply it just on my crease. You can use your contour powder जो होते हैं, you can use that too, just to define your crease little bit. So you can clearly see the difference between two eyes. This eye has little bit of depth, but this eye looks really very flat. So use little bit of brown color. It really helps to open up your eyes. Okay, so my crease is absolutely done. Now I'm going to take this color. It has little bit of sheer effect on it, but it has no glitter or chunky glitter particles on it. It just gives you a little bit of sheen on your eyelids. जब धूप आपकी eyes पे पड़ेगा तो your eyes look little bit of glossy. You can use lip gloss or Vaseline too, but that can crease. So that's why instead of using that, you can use this kind of a eyeshadow which has little bit of sheer effect but no glitter particles. And with that same brush, now I'm going to take this chocolate color again, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. And now it's time for kajal. So instead of using any kind of coloring kajal or black kajal, you can use white or nude kajal. It helps to open your eyes more. And as you can see, my eyes are looking extremely fresh. By the way, this eye pencil is from Wet n Wild, and look at the size. मैं आई थिंक ये 10 महीने से अभी इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ, एंड आई डोंट थिंक ये साइज अभी भी कम हुआ है. तो पहले था अभी भी वैसा ही है. तो फॉर मस्करा आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस लैक्मे आइकॉनिक मस्करा. आई रियली लव दिस. And my eyes are absolutely done. Now I'm going to move on to face again, and I'm not going to contour at all because everyday के लिए contouring is not needed at all. So first I'm going to use blush. For blush I'm going to use this Wet n Wild blush, and all the shade name and link will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that. And this blush has little bit of sheen on it, and I really love this because I really love a glossy effect on my face, and it also gives you a very natural pinky blushy kind of a face. And don't use extreme pigmented blush for everyday kind of a look. It can make patchy. So as you can see that it gives me a beautiful blushy kind of a effect, but this is not extremely pigmented at all. So for highlighter I am going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is like सबका ये favorite है, and I am going to use my beauty blender to use this because मेरे last video पे भी दिखाया है कि instead of using brush you can use beauty blender to apply your highlighter. So my makeup is 90% done. सिर्फ लिपस्टिक बाकी है. So लिपस्टिक के लिए I really love nude or brown kind of a color. So first I am going to line my lips. So for that I am using Miss Claire lip liner. वैसे ये मुझे एज ए फ्री प्रोडक्ट पे मिला है and this is in the shade dark brown, जो कि बहुत अच्छा है because I really love brown and chocolatey color. And for everyday basis, instead of using liquid lipstick, you can use any kind of a bullet lipstick. First, I am going to use Nykaa lipstick, and this is in the shade 11M. And इसका जो color है, if I am not wrong, this is in the shade nude or something. मैं नीचे link down कर दूँगी. So you can leave this lipstick like this, but मुझे बहुत पसंद है 2-3 लिपस्टिक एक साथ मिक्स करना. So for the center of my lips, I am going to use this. This is Wet n Wild lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Suga और Pink Suga. And इसका जो कलर है ये बहुत ही पेल न्यूड है and सिर्फ अगर आप इसे इस्तेमाल करना चाहोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा पेल दिखेगा. So I like to use it on the center of my lip. It really helps to open up your lips more. For makeup fixer, I am going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus makeup fixer, and this give you a dewy effect. If you don't love dewy effect and if you love matte effect, you can buy this. But जो black color का जो डब्बा है वो खरीदिए. So I am going to spray it on my face, and my makeup is absolutely done. And as you can see, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा makeup किया है, and this is perfect for everyday office or college. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you have liked it and like my look. If you like this, don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we are very close to 1000 subscribers. And don't forget to comment down below कि आपको ये look कैसा लगा है, and don't forget to try this look. So yeah, see you on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe.